Imagine posting a beautiful photo online and someone can see exactly where you live. Most people don't realize that their photos can store location data, the exact GPS coordinates of where the picture was taken. That's great for memories, but not always great for privacy. So today I'll show you how to disable or enable location for your camera and photo app using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'll also show you how to do it on other Android phones and iPhones so everyone can protect their privacy. So on all Android phones, regardless of the brand, you will have to go to your settings and you will tap on location. So you tap on here location and you tap on app location permissions, that one. All right, and you select camera, you scroll and you get to camera, and you tap that. And now here you will see options like allow all the time, ask every time, don't allow. So if you want privacy, you choose don't allow. If you want privacy, you choose this, don't allow. Okay, but if you want your photos to remember where they were taken, choose allow or allow while using this app. Okay, now how to remove from existing photo. If you already taken a picture like this one now, that shows the location where this picture was taken. So if you want to remove that, or you open the picture, you open your gallery, you select a picture and you tap the three dots here, tap this and you say go to details, and here you can edit. You select where it say edit here, and from here you can remove this. If I touch this now, if I touch that red dash, it will remove the location. So that removed the GPS information from that image. All right, so now for iPhones, all models, you open your iPhone, you go to your settings and you scroll to privacy and security and you tap location services. You scroll down to camera and you choose never, ask next time while using the app. So if you want photos tagged, if you want your photos to tag with location, choose, or if you don't want it, choose never. Okay, now to remove location from existing iPhone photos, you open the photo app, you select a photo and you swipe up, you tap adjust under the map, like where it's under the map. When you swipe up, tap adjust and you choose no location. Done. So why does this matter? If you post photos online, strangers can sometimes see your location. It can reveal your home address, it can show your child's school location, it can expose vacation habits. But on the other hand, keeping location on helps organize travel memories. It sorts photos by place. It can track where pictures were taken. So this isn't about turning it off forever. It's about controlling when you use it. All right, so now that you know how to disable or enable location for camera and photos on any phone, privacy isn't automatic. It's something you manage. And if this has helped you, please share with someone who posts photos online regularly. I'll see you in the next tutorials.